How to find your AirTag on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually find your AirTag on your iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you misplaced your AirTag, maybe you put it in a keys, maybe you put it in a car, or whatever else the reason may be, and now you want to simply go ahead and then actually find this AirTag and you want to locate it. It's very simple to do that actually. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then launch the Find My application. Then you want to make sure to come to this items tab, which you see from the bottom right. Once you come to the items tab, of course you'll be able to see your AirTag, right? Just tap on it, and then here you'll find directions. Just tap on directions, and then you'll be able to navigate to its direction. Now because in my case it's just right next to me, it says no walking directions available, so just go ahead and then tap on the walk option over here, and then you'll be able to locate your AirTag in that way. And this is simply how you can find your lost AirTag and how you can find AirTag from your iPhone, as long as it is connected though, so you have to keep that in mind. Hope this video helped you answer your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.